The universe is filled with mysteries, but here on Earth, a different kind of marvel is unfolding: the rise of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of intelligent behavior. Imagine machines that can learn, solve problems, and even make decisions, much like we humans do. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is rapidly changing the world around us. The goal of AI is not to replace humans, but to augment our abilities and help us solve problems that were once beyond our reach. Join me as we journey into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring its inner workings, its transformative potential, and the ethical questions it raises. When we talk about AI, it's important to distinguish between two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks such as playing chess, recommending products, or transcribing speech. These AI systems excel in their designated areas but lack the general intelligence and adaptability of humans. Think of narrow AI as a master chess player. The AI can strategize, anticipate moves, and defeat even the most skilled human opponents. General AI, on the other hand, represents the holy grail of AI research. It envisions machines with human-like intelligence, capable of understanding, learning, and performing any intellectual task that a human being can. While general AI remains largely theoretical at this point, its potential impact on society is immense. One of the key drivers behind the rapid advancement of AI is machine learning. Unlike traditional computer programs that are explicitly programmed to perform tasks, machine learning algorithms learn from data, identifying patterns, and making predictions without explicit instructions. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. Instead of giving them a detailed definition, you show them numerous pictures of cats. Over time, the child's brain learns to identify the common features of a cat: pointy ears, whiskers, a tail, and can then recognize a cat even if they've never seen that specific breed before. Machine learning works in a similar way. Instead of being explicitly programmed with rules, machine learning algorithms are fed vast amounts of data. The algorithms then analyze this data, identifying patterns and relationships that allow them to make predictions or decisions on new data. For example, a machine learning algorithm designed to detect spam emails would be trained on a massive data set of emails labeled as spam or not spam. This ability to learn from data is what makes machine learning so powerful, and is driving innovation in fields like image recognition, natural language processing, and personalized recommendations. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, has emerged as a game-changer in the world of AI. Inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, deep learning algorithms use artificial neural networks to analyze vast amounts of data and extract complex patterns. Imagine the human brain with its billions of interconnected neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, processing information and enabling us to think, learn, and make decisions. Deep learning networks mimic this structure, consisting of layers of interconnected nodes that process information and learn from data. Each layer of the network extracts increasingly complex features from the data, allowing the network to make sophisticated predictions or decisions. This hierarchical learning process allows deep learning algorithms to excel in tasks that require understanding complex patterns, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even drug discovery. From self-driving cars that can navigate complex environments to medical diagnosis systems that can detect diseases with remarkable accuracy, deep learning is transforming the landscape of artificial intelligence and pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. Section 5: AI in our world. From diagnosing diseases to driving our cars. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's interwoven into the fabric of our daily lives. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Imagine a world where AI algorithms can analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting early signs of cancer or other ailments that might be missed by the human eye. Beyond diagnostics, AI is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans, predict patient deterioration, and even accelerate drug discovery. In the financial sector, AI is being deployed to detect fraudulent transactions, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. Algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, identifying suspicious patterns and anomalies that might indicate fraudulent activity. The entertainment industry is another realm where AI is making its mark. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI algorithms to analyze your viewing and listening habits, recommending movies, TV shows, and music tailored to your tastes. And let's not forget about self-driving cars, perhaps the most visible example of AI's impact on our lives. Section 6. The two sides of the coin. The promise and peril of artificial intelligence. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence fills us with a sense of wonder and trepidation. On one hand, AI holds immense promise for solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Imagine a world where AI helps us eradicate diseases, combat climate change, and explore the cosmos with unprecedented precision. However, the rise of AI also presents significant risks and challenges that we must address with wisdom and foresight. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they threaten to automate tasks currently performed by human workers, leading to widespread job losses and economic disruption. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. In the wrong hands, AI could be used to develop autonomous weapon systems that operate without human control, posing a grave threat to global security. It's essential that we establish ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI, ensuring that it's used for the benefit of humanity and not for harm. Section 7. Ethics in the age of AI navigating the moral maze. As we venture further into the age of artificial intelligence, it's imperative that we confront the ethical dilemmas that arise from creating machines capable of making decisions that impact human lives. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the issue of bias in AI systems. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing societal biases, the resulting AI system will perpetuate and even amplify those biases. Imagine an AI system used for hiring decisions that's been trained on data biased against certain demographics. This system could unfairly disadvantage qualified candidates, perpetuating existing inequalities. Another ethical challenge is the question of accountability. When AI systems make decisions that have real-world consequences, who is responsible when things go wrong? If a self-driving car causes an accident, who is liable? The manufacturer, the programmer, or the AI itself? Transparency is also paramount in the development and deployment of AI systems. People need to understand how AI decisions are made and have the ability to question or challenge those decisions. Black box AI systems, where the decision-making process is opaque and unexplainable, erode trust and can lead to unintended consequences. We must strive for explainable AI, where the reasoning behind AI decisions is transparent and understandable to human operators. Section 8. Shaping our intelligent future. A call to awareness and action. The future of artificial intelligence is not predetermined. It's a future we are actively shaping with every line of code, every policy decision, and every conversation about the role of AI in society. We stand at a pivotal moment, a time when we must choose the path we will take. Will we harness the power of AI for the betterment of humanity, or will we allow it to exacerbate existing inequalities and threaten our values? This is not a question for computer scientists or policymakers alone. It's a question for all of us. Educating ourselves about AI is the first step. We need to understand how AI works, its potential benefits and risks, and the ethical considerations it raises. We must also encourage diversity in the field of AI. The teams developing AI systems should reflect the diversity of the people they intend to serve, ensuring that different perspectives and values are considered. Furthermore, we need to foster collaboration between governments, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. Addressing the complex challenges posed by AI requires a multi-stakeholder approach, with each group bringing their unique expertise and perspectives to the table. By working together, we can create a future where AI empowers, uplifts, and inspires, rather than divides, displaces, or diminishes us. Section 9. Beyond the Horizon, a final thought. As we stand at the precipice of the age of artificial intelligence, we are filled with a sense of awe and apprehension. The universe has always held mysteries, from the vast cosmic web of galaxies to the intricate workings of the human brain. Now, we are creating our own mysteries, breathing intelligence into machines, endowing them with the ability to learn, adapt, and even surpass our own capabilities. The future of AI is a tapestry woven from the threads of our choices, our values, and our collective imagination. It's a future ripe with possibilities, both exhilarating and daunting. Let us proceed with caution, curiosity, and a deep sense of responsibility, for the choices we make today will determine the course of our intelligent future.